Still thinking. Only I've just got one name right now.
What is that
One
name?
Adi's Spice Kitchen.
This
Adi's. My nickname is Adi.
This is
So
Spice
Adi's.
Kitchen.
Yeah.
He's saying, yeah. This is Spice Kitchen.
if Mohammed starts his own restaurant, he will put his nickname.
It should be called Moham's Pickle Kitchen.
No, his nickname is so weird. Her sister calls him.
Shut up, Magic. You tell, I promise I'll be beautiful.
And don't spill all the
Expose.
yeah,
Expose.
don't
I'm not
spill all the
exposing. I'm just
secrets.
saying. I'm just saying.
Yeah, don't scare him. He's getting scared.
No, he
I'm not
never gets scared.
But if you
Will everybody please put your cameras
Oh, you
on?
are. You are scared.
Otherwise, only Advait will say, see, ma'am, I'm only putting my camera on.
He can't
No,
because I'm
no.
also.
I'm gonna say 4 people. Now 5.
Now 5 people. Okay, Shamila, put your camera on. Hanif, Sayed.
I don't think it's better than to use to.
What were you singing?
No science, right?
Okay, chalo.
No. English.
Now we are going to start with
Thanks.
10.7, that is energy changing form. If you remember in the previous class, we have learned about the different types of energy. Do you remember in the last part we learned about there are different ways in which energy can be
What's the
transferred?
name?
Pardon?
What's the name?
Name of the chapter, energy changing form. And I was saying that in the previous class, we have learned how there are different ways in which energy can be transferred. We said energy can be transferred by
electricity,
by heat,
by light,
and by sound.
By sound, yes.
Yes. So now we are starting with 10.7, that is energy changing form. Okay. Now, we know that we need a supply of energy to make things happen. We also know that energy can be stored in different ways. We've also learned that energy can be transferred in different ways. Yes or no? Now, in this particular part, we are going to see that how, the energy is getting transferred. So we can think of energy coming in different forms, storing in the other form and getting transferred in the other. Now, if we talk about chemical energy, we know that energy is coming in the chemical substance. If we talk about
like
elastic
batteries.
Yeah, if we talk about elastic energy, then we know that the energy is stored if something is stretched or something is squashed. That means either you are pushing the elastic or you are pulling it or trying to retain it to its original place. Electrical energy is energy that is carried by electricity. We also know about gravitational potential energy, energy of an object that has been lifted. You remember we were talking about lifting something? Yeah, when we are lifting something, it already has energy. Yes or no? Which energy?
Yes, gravitational
potential energy. Okay, now we also learned about something that was called as heat energy, and we said that the heat gets
thermal energy
in the room. So that is the reason why we said, we have fireplaces in the homes where it is cold, because when they go and sit near the fireplace, they know if they, heat or burn the wood, then the heat energy will get transferred. We also learned something called as kinetic energy. I said every moving object has kinetic energy. Whenever you are moving, it is kinetic energy. Whether it is a bicycle, whether it is a, you're throwing a ball from top, you're throwing a ball on top. When the ball is moving also, we will say the ball is carrying kinetic energy.
No, even walking, right?
Yeah. Yes. Now talking about light energy, energy spreading out from a bright object. We said light energy is possible only when it is very, very hot.
Hot.
Do you remember that? Yes. Then we also learned about something called as thermal energy. We said every hot object will have the energy of thermal energy. sound energy comes from vibrating source. When things are vibrated, sound is produced. We also know that there is a vibration. Yes or no? When we talk, how does the sound come out? Anybody who knows?
Yes.
From our throat.
Yeah, what actually happens?
Vibration.
What is that called?
We touch our throat.
Yeah, touch and see. You will feel the
Sound
vibration.
energy.
Bolo.
Sound energy.
Do you know? Mohammed?
What, ma'am?
Tell me, where is the vibration to produce your voice? How does it happen? Anybody who knows? Advait, what about you?
In the esophagus.
No, what is esophagus?
Sorry, food
Esophagus
pipe.
is the windpipe.
Food pipe.
Food pipe. Then you have voice in that pipe? No, we have something called as
There's
a
vocal
voice
cords.
box called as
Oh, yeah.
larynx. Yes or no?
Yes.
Voice box
Yes.
called as larynx. It has vocal cords that vibrate to produce the voice. And then it is through the lips, the tongue, the teeth that we make different sounds. But actual voice comes from the voice box. There is a vibration there. Do you understand what I speak, beta? We should always know these basic things. Okay. Now let us read this activity 10.7a. Energy changes in a roller coaster ride. Now what is actually happening in this activity? A roller coaster ride can be exciting. Have you ever been to an amusement park? Yes?
Yes. Of course. Yes. It's my favorite ride.
Yes. The car starts high up, then it runs downhill, moving faster and faster, and
it's energy charging.
Yes. At the end, the brakes come on, it slows to a halt. So now what has actually happened is
friction.
Energy.
When the car was climbing, it was charging energy. When the peak came for the down part, it started spreading the energy.
Okay. The car of the energy keeps changing as it goes up and down. Very true, Ayan. Okay. What form of energy does it have when it is high up? Anybody who can tell me?
Charge, high potential, gravitational potential energy.
High up, when it is high up. Yes, Advait, can you think of? Chalo, you all have to tell me. I have already taught you.
What, ma'am?
I want you to give me the answer of the first question.
What was the question?
Read the question. Yes, Ayan.
Kinetic energy?
Store energy. Can you scroll upwards?
Okay.
Kinetic energy.
Kinetic is when it is moving.
No, it's gravitational potential energy.
Ayan was right. Yes. Ayan told it.
Huh?
Yes. Ayan was the person who told it. The moment I said height, he said gravitational potential energy, but I didn't want, others to stop thinking and not think about it. And that is the reason I did not respond to that answer. He was absolutely right. Very good, Ayan. Everybody can understand what I am speaking. What form of energy does it have when it is high up? Gravitational potential energy is the energy that an object has because of its height. Is it very clear? Do you want me to write this down so that you also write it down and never forget it?
It's okay, remember now.
We'll
I will
remember.
remember it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What form of energy does it have when it is moving quickly?
Kinetic energy.
Very good.
Kinetic energy.
Very good. Kinetic energy.
Kinetic.
The brakes become hot as the car slows down. What energy change is happening?
My friction.
Very good. Very nice.
Friction, then thermal energy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because it becomes hot. Anything that is hot.
Here when we are
that is-
talking about, we will talk about only friction, because you can see that because of the brake which has become hot, there is some
Yeah, it is
resistance
It's
saying-
to the
asking what
movement.
energy is happening.
Yeah, so what energy is happening? Tell me.
Because it is already happening hot. So you have to tell what is happening when
So
it
it
breaks.
is going to be friction.
Yes.
Okay. Now let us keep a track of energy. Okay. When energy is being transferred, it can change from one form to another. Okay. Now one thing you have to understand, that energy is transferred from one form to another. Okay. If you listen to music on radio, what can we say? What is actually happening? There is electric energy which is getting converted to sound energy. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Electricity नहीं है, sound भी नहीं रहेगा, बंद हो जाएगा radio. Getting me? Until and unless it is battery operated. Then if it is battery operated, what we can say? It is chemical energy getting converted to sound energy. Battery khatam, sound khatam. Yes or no? Do you get me?
Yes.
So electric energy is transferred to the radio, sound energy comes out of the radio. Electric energy has been transformed into sound energy. We can show this change in a diagram like the one that is given. That means they are trying to show you a flow chart of energy. This part that you see here, we can call this a flow chart of the transmission of energy. This can be asked in the exam. They can ask you for anything. They will just give you a particular, source of energy and what you can, think of it. So you will have to make this flow chart. Can we go ahead?
Yes.
Look at the other picture that they have shown here. It's a television. Okay, a television set. Now tell me what kind of energy will be transferred into what? Electric energy.
Electric into sound and
Sound
light.
energy
Yeah.
and light energy.
So not only here, if it is radio, then it is only sound. But if it is
In
television,
TV, television, it's light also. We also see.
Exactly. Okay.
And
Chalo, let
sound.
us move ahead. And this answer I want Advait to give me. Question number 2. When a car starts, it uses its fuel, a chemical store of energy, to make it move, kinetic energy. Copy and complete the diagram to show the energy change that happens when a car starts. Which energy to which energy?
Electric energy.
No.
Don't answer.
This is for Advait.
It goes from chemical store energy to kinetic energy.
So we will say chemical energy to kinetic energy.
Yes.
Okay. What energy change happens in a light bulb? Who can tell me? What energy change happens in a light bulb?
Thermal to light. Heat to light.
Ma'am, electricity to light.
Yes.
Yes. It will be electric energy to
But it's also
light.
heat.
If it is battery that is helping the circuit, then we will say chemical energy to light energy, because what you can see is light. Okay.
Yes.
If it is with the electricity, that means the mains current If it is using, then we will say it is electric energy to light energy. But in both the cases, it is either electric or chemical, but it will reach to light energy. And you have to draw a diagram to show. That means you will have to draw a flow chart and show. Is it very clear? Are you all understanding what I'm teaching? Okay.
Ma'am, do we have to
Yes.
draw the diagram?
I'll let you write. Whatever I want you to write, I will let you write. Now, very quickly, the first thing that I want you to write is I want you to write this particular table in your book. Go ahead quickly.
Okay.
Because this is
The
very
form of
important.
energy.
Yeah, form of energy and the description. Very, very important, because they may ask twisted questions in the examination. Not only that, but it can also be that, you should know which kind of energy has what description. So very quickly write this table down.
Done, ma'am.
Very good, Ayan.
And can you show me once
What?
how to see? I can't see anything.
Because of a background, better we can't see.
You know my camera problem, like if
Okay,
I
can you
remove my
close your
background, I go back in 80s.
Yeah, go into the 80s. You were born in the 80s.
You become the space guy.
Sayed, are you in class?
Yes, ma'am. I just
Why is
came
your
from
camera
eating.
on?
I just
Yes?
came from eating.
Why is your camera off?
I miss gravitational potential energy. I'm writing it now.
Hanif, are you in class? Mariam, Fatima, Asma, Afaq, all absent.
Done, ma'am.
Very good, Shiza. Sakib, done, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tabish is also not there in class today, right? He is also absent. Mohammed, which line you're writing, beta?
Ma'am, it's okay. I have the book. If you want, you can continue.
Okay, okay,
Ma'am, my webcam lens broke, so I cannot open it.
okay,
Even if I do, it will just show a shattered glass.
okay, no issues. Can we go ahead?
Wait, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you can continue. I will send us with the pictures of my book.
Yes, Advait?
Bro, I have also the book. I'm almost
So
done.
why you tell him to
Last
stop?
line. I'm
Okay,
on the
okay,
last
okay.
line only.
Chalo, chalo, quickly. If it is last line, quickly. Finish it off. Shamila, which line, beta?
Ma'am, last line.
Okay, okay.
Done.
Very good.
Done, ma'am.
Chalo. Then we move ahead. Okay, the next thing that I want you to write is you're supposed to write these two flow charts. Okay, but you are going to mention radio and then you will have these two as the energy transfer. Then I want you to mention television set and then I want you to put this flow chart. Okay, and I think this can be done quickly. Only the flow charts. Quickly. Radio, electric energy to sound energy. Television, electric energy to sound and light energy.
Ma'am,
It has
8
to be
and
like,
9 are small, right?
pardon?
8, the 8th line and the 9th one. The thermal energy and sound energy are small, right? The lines.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, then I'll.
Is it done?
Wait.
Done.
Ma'am, it's okay if I write it like electric energy and then below it after I make aero sound
Yes,
energy.
yes. Your flow chart can be sideways, your flow chart can be down, not a problem at all. After this, I want you to make this flow chart.
But
That
it
means
can't be up, right?
I want you to make two more flow charts. One will be
Oh.
car moving from start. This is how you will write. Car moving from start, and then you will write chemical to kinetic. And then lastly, I want you to write
We have to write electricity into light,
yes,
right?
yes.
Or chemical into light.
No, you can write both. ये डाल दो, स्लैश डाल के भी लिख सकते हो. You have to use the word energy. Huh? I've just written electric, chemical, and then light. You have to write electric, chemical, energy to light, energy.
Done.
Very good.
Done.
Very good. Shamila, are you writing?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Can I erase it?
Yes.
Advait, are you done? Okay. Please write these two lines. Energy can be stored and transferred. Energy can change its form as it is transferred.
Done, ma'am.
Very
Done.
good. Very good.
I don't know how people are writing so fast. I still haven't done those car and light bulb.
My flowchart is not done yet.
It's not. How many lines should I do to make the car and light bulb flowchart?
Leave at least 5-6 lines. Now I'm moving towards energy is conserved. Okay. Again, a very, very important part of the chapter. We measure energy in units called joules. Okay, like how you measure length in meters or kilometers. Like in that manner, the unit to measure energy is joules, and the shorthand for joules is J, capital J. Okay, for that case, if we are writing energy in numbers, then we also have to write its unit as joules. Where does energy go? The digger in the photograph the digger in the photograph is used on a building site. It digs and pushes soil. It lifts bricks. The digger needs a supply of energy to do this. It gets energy from the diesel fuel in its tank. When the digger lifts the thing, pushes the thing, pulls the thing, or it is doing work, when it lifts some bricks, it is increasing their gravitational potential.
Ma'am, can you scroll up for 1 second?
Ma'am, we
How
have
much?
to write that measure energy unit. called.
No, I'll let you write. I'll give you time for that. How much do you want me to scroll up, Sayed? Is this fine?
Yeah, ma'am, that's fine.
Okay. You can
Scroll
write
down.
that later. I am not asking you to write now. I want you to pay attention. That is the reason why I give you time to write. No, otherwise I would have told you when I'm explaining only write it down. Why do I give you extra time? Because I want you to listen to me when I am explaining. See now what they are telling us in this particular figure. They are saying that there is a digger. Okay, it is doing its work. To do its work of maybe lifting, pushing, or pulling, it gets energy from the fuel tank that it has. When the digger lifts the things or pushes or pulls the thing, it is doing work. For example, when it lifts some bricks, it increases their gravitational potential energy. Kiska energy is getting pulled or increased? The brick that has been pulled. The digger again gets hot, and this requires energy. Because the digger is warmer than the surrounding, heat energy spreads out from it into the surroundings. इसीलिए अगर you will feel that when you are standing near the digger or a engine which is working, you start feeling hot. It is because of the thermal energy that is getting spread in the surrounding. If the digger's fuel supplies it with 10 million joules of energy, those 10 million joules will be transferred as work and heat. Now what they are trying to tell you is, jitna fuel use hua hai, like for example, if the digger fuel supplies it with 10 million joules, if the fuel that is there in the digger is supplying the digger 10 million joules of energy, then that energy you will see it is getting transferred to other things and the surrounding. When it is getting transferred to other thing and the work is done is one thing, and the other thing is we can feel the warmth, we can feel the heat. Is it very clearly understood what is actually happening? That 10
Yes.
million joules energy that the digger gets from the fuel will never get wasted. It will either get transferred to do the work, or it will get transferred to the heat in the surrounding. Do you get me right till here, bacha log? Have you understood what I'm trying to tell you? Not even a bit will get wasted. See, if it is 10 million joules from the fuel that the digger gets, 5 million joules is transferred as work, 5 million joules is transferred as heat. Now these numbers can change depending on what kind of a digger, how efficient the digger is, how much work the digger can do. I hope you understand what I'm talking. There is a possibility that ho sakta hai 7 million joules transferred to work and just 3 million joules transferred to heat. That is also possible. There is no hard and fast rule that 5 will go for work and 5 will go for heat. No, don't take it like that. But what we are trying to say is not a single bit of the energy will get wasted. It will get transferred. It will get converted. It will get used. Okay. Now talking about a torch uses a battery as its energy supply. If you use the torch, the battery will eventually run out. Yes or no? The chemical energy stored in the battery is first transferred into electric energy. There is electricity in the wires in the torch. Yes or no? Tell me. वो जो battery को connect करता है, what is that? Wires, right? So anything that is moving through wires, we will call it to be electric energy. Then the electric energy is transferred into two forms of energy. One, you can see the light coming out of the torch, and second, you will feel that if you keep the torch on for a long time, you will feel that it also gives you heat. Yes or no?
Yeah,
it becomes warm, it becomes hot, whatever you may call it. Okay, so again you can see that the energy that is stored in the battery is completely used before it runs out. It is transferred into work as well as heat. If we could work out how much energy the battery stored and how much light and heat energy comes from the bulb, we would find the total would be same. All of the chemical energy stored in the battery either becomes heat or becomes light energy. Energy never disappears. It just gets changed from one form to another. And this is a very important idea in science. You have to understand this, that energy will never disappear. And we call this as the principle of conservation of energy. You can be asked, or you should know the principle of conservation of energy. What is the principle of conservation of energy? That energy never disappears. It only changes from one form to another. Okay. Here are the two ways of stating it. One is energy cannot be created nor destroyed. It can only be changed from one form to another. In any change, there is the same amount of energy after the change as there were before the change. That means
Ma'am, chemical energy is made by humans.
Chemical energy is
made by humans. So it's saying
energy cannot be created. Chemicals can be made, but chemical energy cannot be made. No? Energy कैसे बनता है? Energy नहीं बनता है. Getting it? Chemicals बनता है. Are you getting me?
Already.
Is it very clear? Yes? Yes. The unit in which we measure the energy is named after James Joule, okay, who had made an important discovery in energy in the 19th century. And that is why we name the unit of energy as joules. Do you get me right till here, bacha log?
It's the same way like the gravity was named, gravimeter was named unit. As this.
Newton.
Gravity unit was Newton's.
Yes,
the
exactly.
Same way.
Exactly.
This was named after the person who discovered energy. Right?
Energy, yeah. Yes. And as I told you that it cannot be created, never destroyed. We also have understood that energy never disappears. Okay. Now, what I will do is this part of writing we will do in the next science class. Okay. Along with the exercise part.
Which is next year.
Why next week we don't have class? We'll have, no?
We have.
We'll have class.
Every day in the week we have science or maths.
Yeah, so today is what, 15th, no? So our next class will be on Monday, that is science. So 20th we will have class. Am I right? So we will do the writing of 10.8 in the next class. We have done 10.7 writing. Okay. Along with the writing of 10.8, I will also do the end of unit questions. I have explained to you. Still, if you want some revision, we can do it in the next class. Is it very clear? Today's lecture, have you understood?
I want to see 89.
Yes?
That's 9. You know, energy of chemical substance, energy of text.
I'll show you. I'll tell you.
Chalo. Bye-bye.